Hello and welcome to your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, February 9th. My name's Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. Taking a look at your key points, we're expecting some light snow today, mainly in the Bear Lake area and along the southern half of the Wyoming border region. We'll show you forecast radar in a couple of slides to give you a better idea of where the best chances of snow are forecast. And then we're still expecting an increasingly active pattern beginning late Wednesday night, particularly on Thursday and Friday, with very low confidence after that. And the active pattern could continue into early next week, but again, a lot of details to work out, and the confidence is very low on those details. Taking a look at the current satellite picture, we can see a strong area of low pressure here over southern Canada. That will send some low pressure disturbances in our direction, and those will combine with an increase in moisture off of the eastern Pacific. You can see plenty of action out over the Pacific. There's one low pressure area here, another one farther off to the west, and so these systems will be combining to give us our increasingly active period. Our weather impact summary. One thing we'll say about this is it is subject to change, both the timing and the impact levels and the location as well could be changing here over the next couple of days due to all of the uncertainty. But starting things off again, we're focusing on our light snow over the southeast portion of the state for today. We'll see some snow move in late Wednesday, particularly into the higher terrain elevation areas. And then for Thursday, we're highlighting the higher terrain areas in particular. That's where the best chances for snowfall are expected to be. We could see some snow, though, in the valley locations, and better chances for a rain-snow mix out over the eastern Magic Valley. Similar conditions for Friday, and then the forecast confidence falls apart after that, because for the weekend, the potential forecast scenarios range from very cold and dry to potentially another area of snow moving through the area. And right now, either one of those are possibilities, so too early to go either way at this point into the weekend. Here's a quick peek at the forecast radar for today. You can see the snow with some valley rain here across the southeast corner of the state. This will be mostly on the light side. As we'll have to play through one more time here as we get through the morning, gradually increasing precipitation through the morning, and it should peak early in the afternoon before winding down. Snow accumulations here generally less than an inch, but locally 1 to 2 inches over the Idaho portion of the Wasatch. Well, as we know, it's been windy over the past few days, and the winds will be a little bit lighter today, but we'll still see some breezy conditions out over the southern Snake Plain, portions of the eastern highlands, and your higher terrain areas of the central Idaho mountains as well. But even though it'll be breezy, this will be our lightest wind speeds in about the last 4 days. But we will see the winds pick up again tomorrow with 30 to 35 mile per hour gusts re-emerging here in the yellow shaded areas. So wind will once again be on the increase. And then Thursday will take the winds back down a few more miles per hour. Not really changing the wind direction at all for most of us through Thursday. But again, looks like Wednesday forecast to see some of the strongest winds. And then Friday, maybe a little bit more of a northwest flow here, even down into the eastern Magic Valley with similar wind speeds to Thursday. Now, I wanted to show you a quick forecast radar here for the Friday time frame. Would caution you not to focus on the details as they're subject to change given all the forecast uncertainty, but just kind of wanted to give you an overall idea of the potential trends, showing the trends for increasing precipitation chances here as we go from Thursday and into Friday. And notice over the eastern Magic Valley some green appearing, as that's where rain or a rain-snow mix is the most likely precip type there. Otherwise, cold enough for snow for other areas. But again, too early to focus on the details given the uncertainty, but just wanted to show you the increasing trend for precipitation through that period. High temperatures for today remaining mild across the southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Highs getting well into the 40s there, but staying below freezing over the northern Snake Plain. And very similar high temperatures expected for Thursday. Notice with these 40s over the eastern Magic Valley, it makes sense that a rain or a rain-snow mix would be favored there. And Friday, maybe knocking a couple of degrees off the high temperatures from Thursday, but again, still a lot of uncertainty there. Okay, now I wanted to show you the uncertainty and the potential ranges for temperatures. This is for Pocatello, but the ranges and uncertainty are similar all over central and eastern Idaho. So what are we looking at here? So these blue boxes show us the potential range in forecast temperatures. Notice the blue box is pretty small through Thursday. That's because the range in uncertainty is small, forecast confidence is higher, and this horizontal black line here is showing the most likely low temperature. So a pretty good confidence here, but look how that changes as some of our models are bringing an Arctic cold front through the region on Friday and others are not. And at this point, the forecast could still go in either way. So just to show you how low our confidence is, the potential range in low temperatures at Pocatello on Saturday morning ranges from 5 below zero to 30, with the most likely low temperature, at least at this point, somewhere around 10 degrees. This black line here shows the chances of temperatures getting below zero, and those chances rise to about 40% Saturday morning. But again, still a wide range of possibilities, not only Saturday, but from into Sunday as well. And that's why the forecast confidence is so low, especially from Friday and beyond. So to summarize, light snow with maybe some rain in the valleys down in the Bear Lake area this afternoon. And then an increasingly active period does look to be in store for us beginning late Wednesday, particularly on Thursday and Friday, with lots of uncertainty in terms of amounts, location of precipitation type, and temperatures. So really not certain in any details at this point with this approaching system, but we'll certainly check back as we continue to refine the forecast as we get closer. That's all for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome those to the phone number, email address, or social media channels that we have as well. Otherwise, please join us again for your Wednesday briefing. Thank you.